Alright, I've got my FPV plane, my hobbyking plane, back together with a new motor and motor mount. It's a bigger motor than I had before. I wanted to try something different, running on 2 cells instead of 3 cells. It's the Turnigy 3648 1450 kV with an 11.55 electric prop. I had to move my servos back just a little bit on the shaft, and inside here I mounted 2 they're Rhino 3700 milliamp packs, so I'm getting 2 cells with that, double that capacity. It seems to run alright. I checked my thrust. I'm getting about 3.5 pounds of thrust, so it's not 1-to-1 on the airplane or anything, but I just wanted, the airplane doesn't fly fast anyway, so there's no point putting some small propeller on it that's going to scream around and do nothing. So I put a bigger prop on, as big as I could get, spin it a little slower. I'm going to try this combination, see how it works. I haven't had a chance to fly it because the weather, again, is my problem. It's cold and windy and everything. I just wanted to show you too, on my Aurora 9 radio, I've got my tilt pan set up on these side switches, and every time they come to neutral it clicks, so I know exactly where I'm at without guessing. The up and down is the same way. So when I hear it beep, I know I'm pointed exactly where I need to be without guessing at all. Other than that, I've got a GWS gyro for the elevator, which is right here, and this is my 2.4 high-tech receiver. And then up front, right there, is a hobbyking gyro for my ailerons. Down inside is a 15, it's actually a 15 amp power supply, because I plan on at some point, that I want to put a GPS system and all that kind of stuff inside of it. So it's just a matter of what I'm going to put in and where I'm going to get it from and all that kind of stuff. But I just thought I'd make an update video that the airplane's back together again, and we're just waiting for some decent weather, hopefully in the next day or 2. Hey, thanks. Bye.